Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share your hometown on your Facebook page but weren't sure how, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add your hometown to your Facebook page using your PC, all updated for the latest Facebook layout. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the menu options right below your cover photo. Find and click on the section labeled About. This is where all your personal details are stored and managed. In the About section, you'll see a variety of categories on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find Places Lived and click on it. This section is dedicated to sharing where you've lived, including your current city and your hometown. Next, look for the option that says Add Hometown. Click on it, and a form will appear where you can enter the name of your hometown. Type in the city or town you grew up in. If you want, you can also add additional details like the region or country to make it even more specific. Once you've filled in your information, take a moment to double-check that everything is correct. When you're ready, click the Save button. That's it. Your hometown is now added to your Facebook page. Adding your hometown is a great way to connect with friends, old classmates, and even discover new connections who share the same roots. Plus, it helps personalize your profile and tells a little more of your story. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Facebook tips and tricks. See you next time.